Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 13 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Hold it till you see the Apple logo. Once you see the logo, you can release. Honestly, this is probably the easiest method you'll find on the internet. It takes about 20 seconds. I won't waste your guys' time like any other iPhone video. We get straight to the point. You can let go. Look at my tattoo. And there you guys go. Your phone is going to reset it.